a day, 15 hours a month sa T1 to T3. So, T4 to T5 is 1 hour a day, 10 hours a month. Tapos yung one link download, basic quota is 30, 70, 115, 165, and 235. So, peak salary natin, kapag T1 ka, wala kang peak salary, pero makukuha mo lahat ng bonus. So, i-discuss natin yan later. So, T2 is 150, T3 is 300, T4 is 500, T5 is 600, T6 is 700. So, kapag T1 ka guys, wala kang peak salary, pero makukuha mo lahat ng bonus. So, kunwari, T1 level ka, yung fix mong salary, ang bonus na makukuha mo per download is 80 to 149, 80 download. Pag T2 to T6 ka naman, 80 to 149, 10 USD, 70 USD. Ang T1 is 80 USD pala, hindi download yan. 80 USD. Bonus yan guys on top of your peak salary na meron ka pang 4 na bonus na pwedeng makuha. Ito yung download bonus guys. So 100 to 299, 150 USD, 130 and so on. Hanggang 749, 550 USD ang bonus ng T1 and T2 to T6 is 480 USD. So yung retention rate guys, ito yung percentage ng download nyo. So kailangan 33% and above kasi ito yung mga nag-uninstall ng Bigo. Kapag in-uninstall mo agad yung Bigo within 24 hours, bumababa yung retention rate ng download nyo. So, ang suggestion ko dyan, sabihin nyo sa fans nyo na wag i-uninstall si Bigo kasi magiging fraudulent download yon. So, hindi siya nagka-count pag paulit-ulit na download. So, 25% and above is kalahati lang makukuha nyo. So, for example, 25% yung percentage nyo ng retention rate. So, 25 di-divide nyo sa 33 times yung bonus. Kunwari, 25% divided by 33% times 100 USD. Kunwari, yung bonus nyo sa download, percentage lang yung makukuha nyo pag 25%. And hanggang 32%. Kapag 33%, full nyo makukuha yung one link download. Kapag 24 and below naman yung retention rate, hindi nyo makukuha yung bonus ng download lang. Sa mismong download lang guys yung hindi nyo makukuha. So, ACU bonus. Ito yung constant viewers nyo na nakukuha nyo during your live sa Bigo as influencer. So, kailangan 500 constant yon from 1 minute to 1 hour nyo nag-live. Kailangan hindi bumababa ng 500 yung viewers nyo. So, constant viewers to kung tawagin yung ACU. So, 500 to 599, may 18 USD bonus kayo per day. Per day to guys So kung 100 kung 18 USD per live, so times 10 nyo sa 10 days is 180 USD. Maximum niya is 30 times 10 is 300 USD. Hanggang 18 days to guys yung pwede nyong mag-live. Nakalagay naman dito So from T1 to T6 yon guys, pare-parehas lang yung ACU bonus. So, ito naman bonus per host sa beans receive. Yung beans is parang stars yan na binibigay sa Facebook Live. So, ang tawag sa Bigo is beans. So, 10,000 beans, may 65 USD na bonus. Hanggang 199,000 beans or 200,000 beans, may bonus ka na 800 USD guys. 800 USD. Isipin nyo na lang may peak salary kayo na 100 to 700 USD. Tapos may download bonus kayo guys na magkano? 550 to 480 on top of your peak salary. O tapos dito pa, may bonus kayo sa per live bonus hanggang 300 USD kung ita times 10 nyo lang. Plus may bonus pa kayo sa beans na hanggang 800 USD kapag nakuha nyo yung 200,000 beans. Plus yung beans na to, for example, yung 10,000 beans na nakuha nyo, may 65 USD na siyang peak salary na bonus. Nako-convert pa siya ng cash. So, 10,000, di-divide nyo lang sa 210. yun yung USD value ng beans nyo. So, ang total nyo pwedeng sahurin sa Bigo is fixed salary, per live bonus, per download bonus, beans salary, tsaka beans conversion salary. So, times 5 guys sa regular host. Kasi ang regular host is fixed salary lang, na kunwari, 6,000 beans, may fixed salary siya na 32 USD. And then yung 6,000 beans na yun, na-convert pa siya ng cash, plus 8 USD. So, ang total nyo lang pwedeng sahurin is somehow 40 USD. Kapag regular host ka, dahil 2 times lang. Dito sa influencer salary, times 5 yung sahod guys.